Today, we have an extraordinary treat for all car enthusiasts, the Mansory MCX. This isn't just any car, since it's a limited edition vehicle, only 5 units made, with extensive modifications available worldwide. The Mansory MCX stands as a pinnacle of automotive engineering and luxury. Throughout this video, we will explore its stunning features, luxurious interior, and breathtaking exterior. By the end, you'll see why the Mansory MCX is a standout in the supercar market. Let's dive in. Exterior design. Front view. The front of the Mansory MCX is a true statement of power and elegance. The bold, striking grille immediately catches your eye, framed by sleek, aggressive LED headlights that provide excellent illumination. The sculpted bumper adds to the car's sporty and muscular appearance, emphasizing its performance-oriented design. Rear view. The rear view of the Mansory MCX is equally impressive. The taillights are designed with a futuristic look, seamlessly integrated into the sleek lines of the car. The rear bumper is both stylish and functional, enhancing aerodynamics while providing a sturdy and elegant look. The trunk space, although modest, is practical for a supercar, ensuring you have just enough room for your essentials. Headlights. The headlights are a marvel of design and technology. Utilizing the latest in LED technology, they not only look stunning but also provide exceptional visibility in all driving conditions. The sleek design integrates perfectly with the car's overall aesthetics, adding to its futuristic appeal. Sunroof. The Mansory MCX offers both panoramic and moonroof options. The panoramic sunroof allows you to enjoy a wide view of the sky, flooding the interior with natural light, while the moonroof option provides a more focused view. Both options add an element of openness and luxury to the driving experience. Interior features. Steering wheel. Inside the Mansory MCX, the steering wheel is designed for both performance and comfort. It features an ergonomic design with easy-to-reach controls, providing a comfortable grip and seamless control over the car's functions. The high-quality materials used in the steering wheel add to the luxurious feel. Seats. The seats in the Mansory MCX are a blend of comfort and luxury. Made from premium leather, they are highly adjustable to ensure maximum comfort for drivers of all sizes. The seats provide excellent support, making long drives enjoyable and fatigue-free. Sound system. The sound system is top-tier, featuring a renowned brand known for its high-quality audio. Speakers are strategically placed throughout the cabin to provide an immersive audio experience, ensuring that every note and beat is crystal clear. Display. The dashboard layout is modern and user-friendly, featuring high-resolution LED screens that display all essential information clearly. The interface is intuitive, allowing you to easily navigate through various functions and settings. Camera system. For added safety and convenience, the Mansory MCX comes equipped with an advanced camera system. This includes parking aids and a 360-degree view, making it easier to maneuver the car in tight spaces and ensuring you have a clear view of your surroundings. Entertainment and sound system. Infotainment system. The Mansory MCX is equipped with an advanced infotainment system. The interface is sleek and user-friendly, offering multiple connectivity options such as Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. This ensures that you stay connected and entertained throughout your journey. Sound quality. The audio quality in the Mansory MCX is exceptional. With a high speaker count and strategically placed speakers, the sound system delivers a rich and immersive listening experience. Whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or navigation instructions, the clarity and depth of the sound are impressive. Additional features. The infotainment system includes several additional features to enhance your driving experience. These include smartphone integration, allowing you to access your favorite apps and services directly from the car's interface. Other features include voice control, GPS navigation, and real-time traffic updates, making your drive smoother and more enjoyable. Engine and performance. Engine specifications. Under the hood, the Mansory MCX boasts a powerful V6 engine with 3.0 liters, delivering an impressive 750 horsepower and 880 Newton-meters of torque. This engine is a masterpiece of engineering, providing a perfect balance between power and efficiency. Performance. The performance capabilities of the Mansory MCX are truly extraordinary. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.6 seconds, showcasing its incredible speed and agility. The top speed of 335 kilometers per hour makes it one of the fastest cars on the road, providing an exhilarating driving experience. Fuel efficiency. Despite its powerful performance, the Mansory MCX also offers decent fuel efficiency. For those interested in more sustainable options, hybrid and electric versions are available, ensuring that there is a model to suit every preference and need. Comfort and luxury.
Interior comfort.
The Mansory MCX is designed with interior comfort in mind. The climate control system ensures that the cabin remains at the perfect temperature, regardless of the weather outside. The seats are not only luxurious but also offer excellent support and adjustability, making long drives comfortable and enjoyable. Luxury features. The interior is adorned with high-end materials and features ambient lighting that enhances the overall luxury feel. Every detail is carefully crafted to provide a first-class experience, from the soft-touch materials to the meticulously designed controls. Convenience features. The Mansory MCX is equipped with numerous convenience features, including keyless entry, remote start, and hands-free capabilities. These features make your driving experience effortless and enjoyable, adding to the overall appeal of the car. Suspension and handling.
Suspension type.
The Mansory MCX features an independent, adaptive suspension system that provides a smooth and comfortable ride. This system adjusts to different driving conditions, ensuring optimal performance and comfort at all times. Ride quality. The handling capabilities of the Mansory MCX are exceptional. The car feels stable and responsive, whether you're driving on a smooth highway or navigating through winding roads. The suspension system ensures a smooth ride, absorbing bumps and imperfections with ease. Off-road capabilities. While primarily a performance car, the Mansory MCX also has decent off-road capabilities. The robust suspension system and high ground clearance allow it to handle rough terrain with confidence, making it a versatile vehicle for different driving conditions. Braking system. Brake type. The Mansory MCX is equipped with high-performance disc brakes and ABS, ensuring reliable and powerful braking performance. The brakes are designed to provide excellent stopping power, enhancing safety and control. Brake performance. The braking performance of the Mansory MCX is impressive, with short stopping distances and a responsive feel. The brakes provide consistent performance, whether you're driving at high speeds or navigating through city traffic. Additional features. The braking system includes additional features such as brake assist and regenerative braking. Brake assist provides extra stopping power in emergency situations, while regenerative braking helps improve fuel efficiency by converting kinetic energy into electrical energy. Safety features. Passive safety. The Mansory MCX is equipped with multiple airbags and crumple zones designed to protect passengers in the event of a collision. The car's structure is designed to absorb impact and reduce the risk of injury. Active safety. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, are included to enhance safety on the road. These systems include lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking, helping to prevent accidents and provide peace of mind. Safety ratings. The Mansory MCX has undergone rigorous crash tests and has received top safety ratings, ensuring that it meets the highest standards of safety and reliability. Pricing and value. Unfortunately, there isn't publicly available information on the exact price of the Mansory MCX Pergusa. Since it's a limited edition vehicle, only 5 units made, with extensive modifications. The price is likely determined on a case-by-case basis through direct contact with Mansory. Here's what we can tell you for sure. It's a highly customized and exclusive vehicle based on the Maserati MC20. Mansory uses top-of-the-line materials and technology for their modifications. Given these factors, the price of the Mansory MCX Pergusa would likely be significantly higher than the base price of the Maserati MC20, which starts around $210,000. It could easily reach several times that amount. Here are some suggestions for finding out the price. Visit the Mansory website and contact their sales team directly. They might be able to provide you with an estimated price range. Search for articles or news reports about the Mansory MCX Pergusa. While they might not mention the exact price, they could offer some insights into its value. A look at the prices of other high-end, limited edition cars from Mansory to get a general idea of their pricing strategy. Value for money. When compared to competitors, the Mansory MCX offers excellent value for money. Its unique blend of luxury, performance, and advanced features make it a worthwhile investment for those looking for a high-end vehicle. To wrap up, the Mansory MCX is a true masterpiece, combining stunning design, luxurious comfort, and exceptional performance. It's a rare and exclusive vehicle that stands out in every aspect. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and automotive content. Let us know in the comments if you would like to drive the Mansory MCX and who you would bring along for the ride. And if you had the budget, which car would you buy? We'd love to hear your opinions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.